Growing on LinkedIn isn't the hardest part. Staying consistent is. Most people are doing everything manually, posting, commenting, engaging every single day. But what if your system handled that for you? Let me show you something interesting. So this is the post scheduler inside connectsafely.ai. You can plan and manage all your LinkedIn content from here. Today is 7th of April, so let me schedule a post for today itself. I'll just click on today's date. Now I'll click on create post. Let's wait for a few seconds. And I'll use an example post about connectsafely.ai. Now here I can write my post. Or I can even use templates. There's an option for templates as well, which you can explore later to speed up your content creation. For now, I'll just paste my post here. Let me just paste it here. I had already copied it to my clipboard. So this post explains how connectsafely.ai helps automate LinkedIn growth. Things like post boosting, auto commenting, and smart engagement systems that work in the background. Also, I can format my post here, like making text bold, italics, or structuring it properly, which is really useful for readability. And on the right side, you can see a live preview, so you know exactly how your post will look before publishing. Another interesting part is it runs on a cloud-based system with MCP server integration, which means your engagement keeps working even when you are offline. It also has free tools to help you improve your content and engagement, which is great if you are just starting out. Now, here I also have the option to add a first comment, but I'll skip this part for now in this demo. Now, coming to scheduling, I can choose the date and time for this post. Since today is 7th April, I'll schedule this for the evening around 5 p.m. I'll just set the time here and it's done. Now, here's another powerful feature as you can see on my screen. Since I have multiple accounts connected, I can even choose to repost this from my second account, which helps in increasing reach. And finally, I have two options here. I can either publish the post right now or schedule it for later. In this case, I'll just schedule the post and that's it. This is how you stay consistent on LinkedIn without doing everything manually. So thank you very much for watching this video and see you in another video.